What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. So today we actually got a little box in from Olsa Tools. If you guys haven't seen a couple of my previous videos, we are working with them over the next couple of months, test out some tools, give you guys some feedback. Obviously my feedback's always going to be 100% genuine. I'm not going to say a product's great if it's not, but if a product is very good, I'm going to let you guys know so you guys can pick up some for yourself. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this box and see what they sent us. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're dealing with. I did already cut it open just because I need two hands to do that, and I could not do that with the camera in hand. So let's see what we're working with here. So we got a sick embroidered Olsa Tools hat. It's one of the flat brim hats. Really like this hat. Let's go ahead and set that aside. Also a t-shirt. This will be sick to wear in some videos. Honestly, most of my clothes at this point has come from companies and sponsors and stuff like that. So I wear the apparel that these companies send me. Let's see what else. Olsa Tools mug. Pretty sweet design. I really like the colors. It's kind of like the color pattern I do on most of my vehicles that I own. So that's pretty sweet. This looks really interesting. So a socket bottle opener keychain. Let me go ahead and hand the camera to Cameron so that I can open this up. Alright guys, let's go ahead and break open the socket bottle opener keychain and see what it looks like. That's pretty sweet. So it actually has their branding on it. I'll cut to some like close shots down in the corner or something like that so you guys can see it in detail. But it looks just like one of their sockets. It's got the branding and everything on it, but it's a bottle opener. I'll definitely throw this on my keychain. Obviously not right now because my cars are all broken and I'm not driving my own car. So once my cars are back, this will be on my keychain for sure. And this next thing is the thing that I'm super excited about. So it's one of their magnetic socket holders. And I've heard a ton of good things about these and I wanted to test them out myself. And now I have the opportunity to do that. So this is their 3 set, a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. So this will be pretty much any socket you'll ever need put into this. So let's go ahead and break these open. See how strong these magnets are. Those are super strong magnets. Like, you guys can see just how tight these are on there. Now apparently you can put a socket in these and turn them upside down with the socket in there and it will hold the socket. So I'm really interested to test that out myself. So we'll go ahead and do that once I have all these opened up. So we got ourselves a socket right here. It's what, 14 millimeters? I mean, that feels like a pretty strong magnet holding that in there. Let's go ahead and get that thing on. Let's turn it upside down and see what it does. That's pretty impressive, honestly. Let's go ahead and put this on the side of a toolbox and see how well this holds up. Let's put the small one on there since it's easier. I mean, that'd be very, very helpful if you're running out of toolbox space. You don't have to go buy a new toolbox. You can literally just put your sockets on the side of your toolbox. So these things are definitely something I want to put some more testing into and see how good they do. So let's come back over here. Let's go ahead and put everything on this table and show you guys what they sent us. And there's a bunch of stickers in the bottom of this box. So we'll put these stickers pretty much everywhere in the garage.
Does not come with the miscellaneous wrenches and ratchet.
Yeah, that was not part of it. So we got the hat, a mug, a t-shirt, the bottle opener, their 3-piece magnetic socket holders, and then 2 posters and a bunch of stickers. So super excited to test this stuff out in the garage. Obviously excited to have another shirt to wear in videos. That'll be awesome. A hat for off-roading because nothing's worse than driving with the windows down and not having extremely short hair. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks you guys to Olsa Tools for sending us this care package. This is definitely stuff we're going to be using pretty much daily. Like, I could see myself using these every day. Also, I'm super happy that the lettering or the numbering is in white because that helps a ton when you're going to go grab a socket. Most of them seem to just be like kind of etched in but still the same color. So that's a good detail to have. So again guys, thanks to Olsa Tools, and they did give me a custom link to use if you guys want to go pick anything up, and I'll put that down in the description. So if you guys want to go check out their products or pick any of them up for yourselves, go ahead and use that link. And I did actually upload a video about the reverse ratchets to where you push them in and that's how they reverse. And that got like 42,000 views or something crazy on TikTok. So that'll be awesome to keep making content on their stuff. I know we have a few other tools on the way to test out. So you guys can definitely expect some more tool content in the future. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.